Yo, what's up? Chris Jacobs from Overhauling here. You're watching Eric's Garage AZ. Drive it like you stole it, bitches.
Welcome to the top 10 worst roads in the world. Number 10 comes in at the Skipper's Canyon Road. The culture of New Zealand is essentially a Western culture influenced by a unique environment, unique roads, and geographic isolation of the islands. The South Island is known for its beautiful landscapes in terms of agriculture and architecture. One of the most popular yet dangerous roads in New Zealand is the Skipper's Canyon Road, with approximately 22 kilometers in length or 13.7 miles, and became a major attraction with some visitors. The canyon and nearby Skipper's Point were named after Skipper Malcolm Duncan, a Northern Irishman who earned his nickname after working on a series of American ships. The miners discovered and constructed it in 1883, which became known as Maori Point. Number 9 comes in the KARNALI Highway. Kathmandu Valley has hundreds of shrines, large and small roads on where the major gods and goddesses of the Hindu pantheon, as well as local and minor divinities, are worshipped. Due to its 700,000 residents, Nepal encounters overpopulation and land shortages. This country has high mountains, hills, and KARNALI Highway is one of the most dangerous roads in the world, with approximately 3,000 meters with a narrow, bumpy road, rocks, landslides, huge drops, and flooded parts. This is definitely not a road that I want to be on. Coming in at number 8, BR-116. One of the most dangerous roads in Brazil was the BR-116 road, approximately 4,490 kilometers connecting to Fortaleza. The road was also called Highway to Hell because it is too dangerous and some cliffs have caused major accidents. No thank you. Coming in at number 7 is the KARAKORAM Highway. China is most influenced by Confucianism and has a great impact in the lifestyle, while Pakistan is a strong romantic identification with Islamic culture. Pakistan and China are considered as the developing countries whose internal logic remains a mystery to us, like the Karakoram. The Karakoram is in one of the world's most geologically active areas and can cause outburst floods that spread destruction far throughout the mountains and into the lowland. The Karakoram Highway is known as China-Pakistan Friendship Highway, with approximately 1,300 kilometers in length, connecting the province of Pakistan and crosses with China, where it is best traveled in the spring or early autumn. The Karakoram Highway is one of the scariest great adventure highways in the world and a massive challenge. Number 6, Stelvio Pass. Italy is one of the largest numbers with the highest paved mountain passes in the Eastern Alps. It is also known as the greatest driving road in the world, and its flag has great symbolism in hope, faith, and charity. The color green represents the Italian landscapes. The white signifies about the snow-capped Alps, which have the most historic of all climbs ever used in pro cycling. The Stelvio Pass zigzags is about 29 miles up and over the Ortler Alps in northern Italy. A stone's throw from the Swiss border, and is considered one of the most dramatic and challenging to drive due to its 48 hairpin bends. Bring it. I'm thinking that's cool. Number 5, KABUL-JALALABAD Highway. The Jalalabad is a city in eastern Afghanistan and is the capital of Nangarhar province. It has been influenced by Islam since the 18th centuries, with a population of about 356,274. Art also plays a vital role in our country, and largely an agricultural country like crops, vegetables, nuts, cut sugar, and mineral sources. Thank you so much. Coming in at number 4 is the Guoliang Tunnel Road. Guoliang Tunnel Road is located in Henan Province, the central of China, with a beautiful surrounding that is popular to tourists. The tunnel is very slippery and is a blind spot, and most of the people on its construction died. Yeah, I think I'll pass on that one. Number 3, R504, KOLYMA Highway. KOLYMA Highway has nearly 100,000 inhabitants and is the largest port in northeastern Russia. Some companies that you can find there is a fishing, farming, gold mines, and pasta and sausage. Interesting. Number 2, James Dalton Highway. The United States has a diverse migration throughout its history, and that includes attitudes towards education, ethnic, religious beliefs, food, art, entertainment, celebrations, and etiquette. The James W. Dalton Highway is a 414-mile road in Alaska. There are more or less 3,700 large trucks that travel to Dalton Highway every month. Its road is built on top of the ice, permafrost, and sudden changes in the weather can make driving even more dangerous. High risk of avalanches and also breakthroughs in the ice. I think I'll pass on that one. Number 1 comes in the North Yungas Road. North Yungas Road is considered the world's worst road because of its narrow, single track, lack of guardrails, slopes, fog, and rain that may cause zero visibility. It is even called the Road of Death. North Yungas Road is located in Bolivia, the 5th largest country in South America, and Bolivian people were also called Indios, and their religion is both Christian and indigenous. Etiquette is very vital in their culture as well as their way of living. Hey guys, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ. I want to thank you so much for watching that video. And what to say in Eric's Garage AZ land is, drive it like you stole it, bitches. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more right here on Eric's Garage AZ.